2022, Tusenfryd announced its largest investment in the park's history. 30 million euros will be put in the park over the next 3 years. This is a Coaster Stop news update about Tusenfryd and their brand new roller coaster, Storm. Before we get into the news, please subscribe to Coaster Stop and like this video. In March 2022, Tusenfryd announced a 30 million euro investment for the future, with 2 brand new lands of the park, but also retheming of old areas and the most of the amusement park. Already for this season, there have been some changes in the park, and the brand new Samperla roller coaster Hurri Hurri opened back in May. Hurri Hurri is a compact spinning coaster. Though not being the most exciting roller coaster, it is still a great addition to the park. I also have to say that I do love the color scheme of the ride, and those trains look amazing. This investment should be done in 2024, and if the information is right, it will seriously have changed Tusenfryd into something different. Since before, Tusenfryd is home to some pretty cool coasters like Thunder Coaster, a Vekoma Woody, and also Speed Monster, an Intamin launched coaster. But now, as part of this bigger investment for the park, another coaster is announced. We have talked about it before, but since it's now official, let's dig in deeper. Of course, there's plenty of more coasters and rides at Tusenfryd, but that's not the talk for today. We will talk about one of the new coasters being added to Skandinavien in 2023. Today, we aim our eyes at Storm, the Dragon Legend. Already for this season, the first little teaser for Dragonville was added to the park in the shape of a drinking station. Now, in this video, we have some huge and great information. And thanks to coasterblog.se on Instagram, we do have amazing footage and drone videos of the first track pieces of Storm. We also have a picture of a container, giving proof to all the rumors. Storm will be a Gerstlauer. In most of the concept art, the coaster was red. Only in one picture the track was blue. But as you can see, Storm will be blue. Plenty of track supports and tracks have been arriving to the park's parking lot during the last couple of weeks, and this is beyond exciting to see. Even more interesting is that the rumor says that the construction will start already by the start of September, which is really cool and very early. But hey, that's a good thing. This also means that the construction of this roller coaster will happen during Halloween at Tusenfryd. I just said that Storm is a Gerstlauer roller coaster, but worth noticing is that the coaster will also be inverted, and a first of its kind in the world. This is very exciting, and to have a world first coaster in Scandinavia is always something extra. I record this video before the official announcement is made by the park, so I don't have any measurements for the ride yet, but the rumor says that the track layout should be around 400 meters, but the ride length will be so much longer than that. The information also states that the coaster will launch 3 times, 2 times to gain speed and a third one to launch you right into the first inversion of the ride. The coaster will feature 3 inversions and looks to be quite a nice ride. With tracks at sight, work inside the park going rapid, and roller coaster tracks starting to be raised very soon. This is exciting times for coaster fans and people that has an extra fond heart for Tusenfryd. Storm will seriously change the lineup for the park, and I'm pretty sure that this will make ground for Tusenfryd's future. Are you excited for Storm, the Dragon Legend, coming to Tusenfryd in 2023? Will you ride it? You have watched a Coaster Stop news update about Storm, the Dragon Legend, a new roller coaster coming to Tusenfryd, Norway in 2023. Please like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos and news updates. Thank you so much for watching. Again, a huge thanks to coasterblog.se on Instagram for this awesome content that I was allowed to use in this video. Please make sure that you follow him on Instagram.